राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम
राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम की बात ललित सुमन के साथ कार्यक्रम में नेशनल टीवी चैनल कात्यायनी पर आप सभी राष्ट्रवासियों का स्वागत।
केंद्रीय मंत्री पीयूष गोयल ने सोमवार को विभिन्न राज्यों में लॉजिस्टिक ईज अक्रॉस रिपोर्ट 2021 को लॉन्च किया। नई दिल्ली में लीड्स रिपोर्ट जारी होने के बाद सभा को संबोधित करते हुए पीयूष गोयल ने कहा कि भारत 21वीं सदी के लिए आधुनिक बुनियादी ढांचे के निर्माण के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है, जो पहले कभी नहीं देखी गई। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के विश्व स्तरीय बुनियादी ढांचे के निर्माण के संकल्प के साथ भारत ने बेहतर कनेक्टिविटी के माध्यम से विकास की एक शानदार यात्रा शुरू की है। हाल ही में लॉन्च किए गए पीएम गति शक्ति मास्टर प्लान का जिक्र करते हुए पीयूष गोयल ने कहा कि ये देश में मल्टी मॉडल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट की अगली पीढ़ी में क्रांति लाएगा।
Ladies and gentlemen, truly delighted to be here for the launch of the third Leeds report. We've just concluded a series of festive days, starting from Dhanteras, Choti Diwali, Diwali, the new year that is celebrated in several parts of India, particularly in the topper of the Leeds report, Gujarat, the Govardhan Puja, Bhai Dooj. It's been a series of good days, festive days, and these days have also brought a lot of cheer to all of us in terms of several indicators which have demonstrated the resilience of Indian economy, which have demonstrated the enthusiasm across the country to get back to normal. It has demonstrated the speed with which economic activity, social activities are coming back to normalcy. India is committed to building modern infrastructure, preparing this nation for the 21st century, to become a superpower in the years ahead, to engage with the world from a position of strength and confidence. And we can clearly see the pace at which the country is developing, the infrastructure in the country is growing. The quality of infrastructure that we are seeing today is something unheard of, unparalleled. Very recently, under the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the department had come out with the PM Gati Shakti National Infrastructure Master Plan. It's a remarkable initiative, and I would urge those of you who have still not understood the entire concept behind PM Gati Shakti to spend some time in understanding it and seeing how it can help each one of us in our work to plan better, to execute better, and become much more efficient in meeting the needs of infrastructure across the country, bringing down the cost of logistics across the country. To my mind, it's one of the most revolutionary steps taken in a long time, and it will completely revamp the way we plan our infrastructure, the way the next generation of multimodal infrastructure is prepared in this country. And in some sense, the Leeds report will very easily merge into the PM Gati Shakti thinking to help people use the PM Gati Shakti National Infrastructure Master Plan and plan their future better, both at the center and in the states. I must also acknowledge the wonderful work that ENY has done in preparing or in helping us rank the various states. I'd like to thank the IIFT professors also, who provided a lot of statistical support to ENY in this work. When I opened the report, and that's the first time I saw who's got the number one rank, and I saw it was Gujarat, I thought it may be a good idea to get you to at least tell them the methodology a little bit. And even after the program, I'd urge any of you who have any questions to interact with Mr. Mihir Shah. Because what we do is a completely hands-off approach in the entire ranking exercise, so that a very, very honest assessment can come out. It can help the states understand what they are doing, what they can do better, what they can do smarter, how they can prepare to improve their rank going forward. And bear in mind, this is a relative ranking.
दिन देखिए 8 बजे रात्रि 9 बजे सुबह राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम की बात ललित सुमन के साथ कात्यायनी टीवी पर।
22 वर्षों से प्रकाशित मदर इंडिया पत्रिका, पढ़ते रहे देश दुनिया की खबरों के लिए।
26वें वर्ष में आपके लोकप्रिय समाचार पत्र इंडिया दर्पण का प्रवेश। आप देखते रहें अपने क्षेत्र की खबरें। और अधिक खबरों के लिए आप हमारे YouTube चैनल दैनिक इंडिया दर्पण को अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।